20 secrets all billionaires know and use every day. Billionaires are a rare breed of individuals who have managed to amass a fortune that most of us can only dream of. While there is no magic formula for becoming a billionaire, there are certain secrets and habits that many of them share. Here are 20 secrets that all billionaires know and use every day. Number 1. They focus on creating value. One of the biggest secrets of billionaires is that they focus on creating value for others. They understand that the key to building wealth is to provide something that people need and want. This is why many of the world's most successful entrepreneurs are also some of the most innovative. Number 2. They never stop learning. Billionaires are always learning and expanding their knowledge base. They understand that knowledge is power and that staying informed is critical to staying ahead of the curve. They read voraciously, attend seminars and conferences, and constantly seek out new ideas and insights. Number 3. They take calculated risks. Billionaires are not afraid to take risks, but they don't take them lightly. They carefully analyze the potential rewards and weigh the risks before making any major decisions. They also have a high tolerance for failure and are willing to take risks even if they don't always pay off. Number 4. They surround themselves with smart people. Billionaires know that they can't do everything themselves. They surround themselves with smart, talented individuals who can help them achieve their goals. They also seek out mentors and advisors who can provide guidance and support. Number 5. They are passionate about their work. Billionaires are passionate about what they do. They love their work and are completely dedicated to it. This passion and dedication help them to stay motivated and focused on their goals. Number 6. They focus on long-term results. Billionaires are not interested in short-term gains. They understand that building wealth takes time and that it requires a long-term focus. They are willing to make sacrifices in the short term in order to achieve their long-term goals. Number 7. They are willing to put in the work. Billionaires are not afraid of hard work. They are willing to put in the time and effort required to achieve their goals. They also have a strong work ethic and are committed to excellence in everything they do. Number 8. They have a positive attitude. Billionaires have a positive attitude and outlook on life. They believe that anything is possible and that they can achieve their goals if they work hard and stay focused. This positive attitude helps them to overcome obstacles and stay motivated. Number 9. They are resilient. Billionaires are resilient and can bounce back from setbacks and failures. They understand that failure is a natural part of the learning process and that it's important to learn from their mistakes. They are also able to adapt to changing circumstances and are not afraid to pivot when necessary. Number 10. They give back. Finally, billionaires understand the importance of giving back. They use their wealth and resources to make a positive impact on the world. They donate to charitable causes, support social and environmental initiatives, and invest in their local communities. Number 11. They have a strong vision. Billionaires have a strong vision for their future and are able to articulate it clearly. They know where they want to go and have a roadmap for how to get there. This vision helps them stay focused and motivated, even during challenging times. Number 12. They are decisive. Billionaires are decisive and can make decisions quickly and confidently. They have a clear understanding of their goals and priorities, which helps them make decisions that align with their vision. Number 13. They are proactive. Billionaires are proactive and take initiative to make things happen. They don't wait for opportunities to come to them, but rather create their own opportunities. They also take responsibility for their actions and don't blame others for their mistakes. Number 14. They manage their time effectively. Billionaires understand that time is their most valuable resource and manage it effectively. They prioritize their tasks and focus on high-impact activities that can generate the greatest results. They also delegate tasks to others when necessary. Number 15. They embrace change. Billionaires are not afraid of change. They understand that the world is constantly evolving and that they need to adapt in order to stay ahead of the curve. They are open to new ideas and are willing to take risks in order to achieve their goals. Number 16. They are goal-oriented. Billionaires are goal-oriented and have a clear understanding of what they want to achieve. They set specific, measurable goals, and develop a plan for how to achieve them. They also track their progress and make adjustments when necessary. Number 17. They have a strong network. Billionaires have a strong network of contacts and are able to leverage these relationships to achieve their goals. They understand the importance of building strong relationships and are skilled at networking and building connections. Number 18. They are self-motivated. Billionaires are self-motivated and don't rely on external factors to drive them. They have a strong internal drive and are able to motivate themselves to achieve their goals. Number 19. They are innovative. Billionaires are innovative and are always looking for new ways to do things. They are not content with the status quo and are always pushing the boundaries of what is possible. This innovative mindset helps them stay ahead of the competition and drive new growth opportunities. Number 20. They focus on results. Finally, billionaires focus on results. They are not satisfied with just putting in the effort. They want to see tangible results from their hard work. They measure their progress and adjust their strategies accordingly to achieve their desired outcomes. In summary, becoming a billionaire requires a combination of hard work, dedication, and smart habits. By following these 20 secrets, you can increase your chances of achieving your own financial goals and building a successful career or business. Remember to have a strong vision. Be decisive, proactive, manage your time effectively, embrace change, be goal-oriented, build a strong network, be self-motivated, be innovative, and focus on results.